Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need two things right away: consistent fight presence and quick gold flow. Begin by routing to lanes and jungle so you grab every small kill and buff. Once done, buy the fastest component of Thunderbelt first and stick to short fights that guarantee your passive procs. Make sure to position to land ability hits on multiple targets. That's how the stack accumulates. Don't waste time on long recalls. Keep roaming and converting gold into components immediately. Now double down on consistency. Enter fights you can finish quickly and focus on combo patterns that hit both minions and champions. Once done, reset briefly and re-enter. This rapid in and out generates stacks faster than drawn-out teamfights. Make sure to use abilities that cleave or knockback to hit multiple targets, because multi-target hits accelerate progress. Communicate timing with your team so they trap enemies near minion waves that reliably finish the item during high-traffic moments. Team fights around turtle or buff spawn ensure you convert components under pressure. Once done, press the activation combo to secure the final proc and immediately reset to farm or contest objectives. If stacking stalls, swap to quicker clear or mobility items and target isolated skirmishes. This forces more clean hits. One troubleshooting tip: if cooldowns are blocking stacks, reduce ability delay and use basic attacks between spells to accumulate hits while waiting. That fixes most slow stack problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.